Alright, Adavilla, this is for you. I believe you saw one of the moves that Coach Miho was doing, so I'm going to try and break this move down. First, we have to orient ourselves. Rope is in my right hand, and what I'm actually doing is I'm facing east. So underhand is always north. I'm facing east in this rotation. The rope is going clockwise in front of me. So what we're doing is we need to do a high whip out. So over the right shoulder like this. That's the high whip out. So if you have the rope in two hands, high whip out is just bringing both your hands above your right shoulder like so. The next step then is a mid whip. So the mid whip is your left hand coming down under your elbow here. So right hand is still over the shoulder, left hand is under the elbow. And then a low whip where both hands are near your hip. So the main difference, and I won't go through the specific tutorials on how to do the whips, I have a different tutorial on that. But what you're doing is high whip, mid whip, low whip. So there are 3 rotations on your back. So what you're doing is you bring from the front, 1 on the back, 2, 3 on the back, right? And then after you do the low whip, you come back up to the front and you go into an underhand sneak. Again, I have a different tutorial on how to do the sneak. So underhand sneak on the right side, underhand sneak on the left side, and that's it. So let's quickly take a look at that. High, mid, low, and underhand, underhand. Alright, that's it. There's another move that comes at the very end. I'm not sure if this is the one that you also want to learn, but basically what that is, and I'll show it on my left side, even though I'm not as good as doing it on the left. Basically what you do is you, from overhand mad doors, you're going to, on the second beat, release the bottom hand. So this is going to be, if I'm on my left side, second beat, my right hand is on the bottom, and then as it's coming up, I'm going to release my right hand. And then what I need to do is I need to turn and catch it behind my back and go into a cheetah's tail. Right, so I'm going to try and do that again. So here on my left side, my right hand, release, and then I'm going to turn and catch it and go into a cheetah's tail. So 1, 2, 1, 2, catch, and then go into a cheetah's tail. Right? It's a bit harder to do this move slowly while walking through a tutorial because you've got to figure out the catch timing.